everybody wants eggs and sausages for breakfast. So we're going to Walmart to come back for me to make that, and then we're going to Volcano BAy.
So
hey, we could go right there and buy bread.
Yeah.
And?
Yeah. So seeming to come out of the road, you know. So walking in the road. So walking in the road.
Pavement.
On that side.
For a reason. I think we banged it.
People just got stuck in the elevator. Same one we keep showing up there every time. How fun. Now we have to walk up these steps. Here we go.
Right now we're going to Volcano BAy.
Finger, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To check your locker and return to Bomi. Summer baby. Thank you, my love. Please leave tapu tapu in return bin.
Flexing. Alright, so we just got lockers. Now we're trying to figure out what we want to go on first. We're going to Lazy River first. There's a really nice Lazy River. I'm pressing though.
I'm coming.
Accident.
Oh no. That was freezing.
Oh yeah. Woo. So you can like go to slides and if you line long, you can like reserve your spot, I guess, in advance or something like that. Wow! Now it's freezing. So it's not really cold, but when the wind blows, it is the worst. Freezing cities. So there's this fast river that you have to wear like life vests to go on. So that's where we headed right now. Okay. This is like I love this. I can stay there all day. People going mad.
So they have signs that says look out, island approaching, and on the island they actually have like a piece of maybe sponge
Because they're going so fast.
that prevents you from damaging.
Trying to give it a representation of how fast we go. Now we go this.
It's alright for the big ride. There he is, slaving as usual. This is our view. Hey, we're back by the locker them, just to get our towels, credit card, yall, to get food. Instead of going back on the slide what y'all saw, it had our other side to it, and remember she said we can go on it with the GoPro, so we just went on the Moana, which is the Hanu, and the Ika Moana, which is those two bad boys over there. It was lit. It was lit. Now we're going to get food because we're starving.
This one size hot dog. It's huge pizza. Chips. iPhone. Right, so we headed back to the lockers now. And then from there last ride and home. Now we bought the camera. Back to its resting place. Bye. Say bye. Alright, so we all changed. And we headed home. Bye, Volcano BAy. We probably super backlit right now. They're probably only seeing you. So how was your experience?
Great.
Just got off the shuttle, headed to get an Uber. So how was it?
Hey guys, we're on 16%. Like all that water today have me pretty tired, so just thinking what to eat. He is getting the Uber while we sit here and wait. Yay.
So, back in the hotel.
Just met up with Bam and Bim, and we just got to Florida Mall because they want to shop and they didn't shop and they now come from Miami. Just saying. Okay, they're coming. Look left, look right, look left again. We're not supposed to be crossing here. So we told Sam that we went on a helicopter ride and they are going on one now. Yay! This place that we at, Rosen Hotels and Resorts. The prices to go on this one, the cheapest one was $25. They going over like SeaWorld, Orange County, Convention Center, Aqua something. I just want them to come back so we could see them.
You know, if you drop that ball, right, you'll feel sick.
Oh.
If you like roll and
Yeah,
bounce,
I
bounce,
really will
bounce,
feel
bounce.
sick.
Feel sad?
Yep.
Sad, okay?
Yep.
Watch you head the first one.
That would.
You could like lean up on her head.
You could eat ramen on her head.
I know, want to go first?
Yeah. I still don't know where I'm so sorry. You got this.
I know. You don't. Yeah. No. Broke it in gentle. That's all. Drink.
They look like she's gonna go right down India. What?
What? Shit!
One. Oh, I'm gonna go for They don't get. They don't get. They don't get. Ping ball.
I'm Red Bull now.
Okay.
me.